Okay, yes, sure, GH Live. Welcome back. Thank you so much for trusting us. Hey, GH Live Studios, still in Accra Sports Stadium. I didn't kind of a vivid situational report so far ahead of the clash. Kotoko and Accra United Airborne. Now, young for win pew. So Kotoko penny for do I PM our Accra Sports Stadium so far. Any echita for my Baby PM no. Most of them are predicted 3-0, 3-0, 3-0. May this be a possibility? Now, in could be in Fama Crop, Yama Poma, Matema, Kumasi, the Royal City Club, Utum for Nana team, and I say Utum for team. Yentian Samahu Dwa, a Chitafono, Womo Eddie Tuja, Ihiapa, watch out, watch it live here on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno.
We are still at Accra Sports Stadium. Chairman, your first name?
Frame, Kofi
Osewusu. Yes, I was a Moya Juma Party Kotoko. I was more monitor. Kate, I say. Now, my shama BB at me, Akoso Kama, or I say. Every Endra preparation and Namo a copy men there, the Anope Akosonia, the Ubit Medi, Abu and Komaka farm.
Oh, Fiti Endra, so visiting team, no, their hotel, they have been secured, they're safe. Now, by next hour, the security at the entrance, all the entrances is super. You just have to grab your tickets and know where you are going. So if you don't have a ticket, then you don't even have to get closer. Strictly by ticket, that's all. Aside that, the security in there, everybody is assured, everybody's safety is assured. That's why we are here this morning.
We shall send you this time supporters no abba around now or more airport ticket. I think say now on a ticket no abba.
Yes.
You see say and supporters bit me go more abba. So Kotoko is playing away from home.
Yes. Kotoko is playing away from home, but the euphoria around and Opanipa Hodo Mapa will pay tickets now. I am very encouraging. Ticket boots nothing here. Tomorrow tickets now they are rushing in there.
So Moka 12 no sunya more.
Yes.
And our supporters na be go actually.
And you be among.
Sure.
Here, come. The Casa 12 by you realize you any penalty to go on. You be after 12 by the chaos.
Sure.
It's as part of security arrangement. You have opened it earlier for everybody to just get the ticket and enter the stadium and enjoy the game. That's why we are here this morning.
Yanko game no so Kotoko winning
2-0 straight.
Have you cut
2-0 straight?
I didn't want to
yeah, we need 2-0 straight because we're training here up to now and now Friday training grounds. What was going on? They tell you that who goes to 2-0 straight because the boys have poised for action.
Okay.
And fabulous.
The best.
Away. Umuba, we are playing away from our home.
Yes.
We get it. Accra Sports
but still not a home because I Ghana. Yes.
Accra Sports Stadium is our home. Don't worry. We are winning 2 goals. Come on, Tommy. Come around. Kotoko is Kotoko today.
Supporters no do one eba. Obi won so tifie bia ti se ne Kotoko aboni game na wi ansa no aba. O ansa le bi obe support Kotoko because Kotoko enwini ani o man ya de a ka bibi fache supporters o
tifie na sa wo man ya wa ha ho pa. When can say Kotoko be start ansa na oba bra. The drum equal no nyina support boys na boys no win the match. The boys no too many no mu actually wa. When I say yes. Kotoko players down when no one say yes. Kotoko for na bar. Ebe boom, boom, when ebe just say yes. I will cancel. Enya go from my ass. It would be now my bra. Show red nebra, show green nebra. Never support Kotoko. It's Kotoko there. And one Kotoko.
That's it. That's Kabibi Kakra.
You're from Odin Wajama. Now, I say. Minua ka bebre sanate Kotoko and a home and the yebo Africa e yekodo Africa pa se na yeko Africa no so hwe ha na hwe fans na
omo tie da ka bibi kakra
you from Odin Wajama na em say minua ka bebre sanate Kotoko and a home and the yebo Africa e yekodo Africa pa se na yeko Africa no so hwe ha na hwe fans na umusate bana kumase for obo Cape Coast for Takrade for no for bia ba na je say yeni abre na awose ye wini ye 3 points that so eje 2-0 awose ye show mo na eje Nigeria de ye nuano mo awose ye show mo ye ko show mo away ye ko ne petre na ye shame no let's say 2 run e samaka enti na wo say Kotoko we supporter na wo fie a entra fie enka say me hwe TV ana say me tie radio we ye Kotoko ni a ene na wo so oba wo support Kotoko ene place no hu sampa wo mo fans wo mo akitafo na wo matima ayiro mo abobo no wo say back ye ma ene place no support stars na no ye wo akitafo wo bobo no mo yiro mo abobo no ene ye wo coach ye wo players new players ene coach ayikuta to say match no eni kwa say ye go e wo session the masters will be amlapa
that's fine yes yenya Kotoko ahofefo ni bi yes ohofefa so onzo wofe Kotoko akadi ni bia na any game na ekose the job is kakra ebi kan tu ebi kan 3 aden na 3
Ada na 3 sir como você acha assim
me kam nya be 5 a
é bom pai
ka 5 but what the say 3
okay 5 okay 5
yeah 5 years na ba che say
yeah para confortar na
o fico mais ba oh okay because minimum ni pa say nya kuma se kuma se ko but I was be kakaka na Kotoko she say
ene de she be 5
ga sa se she
ene de 5 straight omo timi se bi e be sure omo sa
can you just support some of by
supporters no mo nya bo ene the full game na aba ye jirem e da akwa ye train na aba ya boy ho pa ene de goals de omo hwe ye nim ye be sure pa
wow say on kakra
say the omo ka no ene ye be sure be ye register for abu census
okay
obi am register
for count
for shame na abu census you an ye wa ha say Kotoko we ni for abu census so antimi nya hwe
now we say supporters no fit kuma say ba
obi fit kuma we ya 50
cities of abu census 50 cities
50 cities but no wa we ni bi 100 cities but anya we nko an so na ye last da bi ya ye bo bia no for abu census we say ono na ye to national ba no
yes
enti si ano we ni ye di be ye die enti say we ni bia e so register oban so anu abeto replica jesi kama na dem star 920 star 99
yes
www.fabusensor.com one na be register
okay ma we say open big now you be register the NCC mo check ya yes nti still ye ne Kotoko supporters no ana AD enkomodo na aba be wrem 12 ni nyambo ya mo di wrem di here but o ma be Accra sports to them German e for say
from
Kwenu minimum pa so there na the game no e be ko say Kotoko more expect how many goals from the team
at least yeah 3 at least 3
I will be a country 3 ade ye woman no I was set 3 na ye de 3 na na was say ba sa who fi ne ba Cape Coast ton obedu da be Sisia na obedu ye okay that's fine Cape ba obehwe omo preseason no be shape yes you of pa yes you minister Dino chairman pa cha obeka kakra chairman we so no win community iguso ene Kotoko supporters no AD komo boss player me we waba now baby anything of free buy baby of free buy pick your voice in kakra Accra usuheya okay now and we expect how many goals from the team
give me here for
oh said today
we need one qualify because we qualify now kwa I say ono enye program ya board we betina ko betina ye be ko penya wan go an mo ko betina kire nsa show be 2 na 3
no correct
enti enya 4 ha dia 4 no wuntimi nkotini nyina ho
okay
enti 4 goals ni
chama eni komo Kotoko
bo di kaka no ene o muhia aya na eta hye goals do but was Kotoko no you say no hia it's been a while I call Africa Confederation Cup
yes
Inti ebase na players na omo boni na no me ni
okay
after no me new to the terrain na omo ball I think obi na wo match experience kaka we team ne Wampoku ana no so okopre inti I think say omo nya a little bit time to gel yempe bibi bebrebe free omo ho if a pressure to omo so but the person here say be qualify because qualifying they was qualify
okay
na your next round and I'm free team
and the player be now we expect so be shigu ama wani aji and
so one say yeah intimi konya beto intimi konya beto ama if you have it my be 2 a ya relax na ya it one money no me drink kaka na ya so bi di betimi ba kwa ka ho ama ya na aye 3 na ya kwa ene omu chinchin we sakura na se de minya ne di kan kan omu chinchin ma ekosi aga because o hwa omo ehun ko for the free Nigeria aba omo de kan e free Nigeria ba na I think say omo hia pass ansa no mawu
ene correct
na nya fa mo omo nti de ye omo aha bia no ye sure say omo no so mo record to e ko du ono mo ma je say
almost be
so was Africa football
yes
ya train ha no ano nanka na relax nti sa ba penalty
okay